Right. Okay. I picture the ships North African Romans sailed, docking in the dusk of Londinium. Caesar was hailed, Celts were killed, kids' tears as loud as drums. Did South Walians reach Blaenau Festiniog or further? Did fleeing feel like failure? These questions surface each time new families arrive from Belgium, Kenya, Malaysia, with a weight in their eyes, their homes beneath waves. A 2018 migrant, I didn't flee floods. I flew to wealth with my father and mother. Ghosts murmur when I think about those days. My first dance with Rian. As Jay-Z and Punjabi MC played, I extended my hand. My feet are killing, she sighed. Then my reply, a foot massage? A wedding reception, and there I was, kneeling, ready to knead a stranger's soul, words charged with spiced rum. She slid off a shoe, grinning. The massage? 10 seconds of glory before we saved ourselves embarrassment and giggle-twirled to Maxi Priest's Wild World. As the song's end neared, my mouth grew dry with worry. Would chatting become a rambling, rum-fueled rant? I walked out of the hall without a word. My parents mourned Tiger Bay's rich mix of cultures, a glow we didn't get to know. My mum felt the strain, a woman of color in Barclays' white boardrooms. The dimming sun reminds me to let rage rest where it rests. Is that quote Dylan Thomas or Hannah Nisa? She was on BBC Breakfast News today discussing C. disease and the mess of dead whales washing up on British beaches. The breath in my mouth felt as thick as clay. Above the hills, a buzzard soars and dips. I used to pray, but I stopped when Rian lay in hospital, her body too still. If angels exist, I wonder if she's forgotten who I am. I want to cook for her. I can't resist watching the video on my old Samsung of Rian dancing to the Cool Ruler, Night Nurse. These songs. Sweet memories that sting. She grins on screen. Stop chopping the peppers and dance. 3 decades ago at our friend's wedding, she found me outside, trying to get sober. She made me laugh. We kissed under a cedar. Our son, Dhiru, is our bond's embodiment. When we said I do, our masks were palm tree green and the motorways had been quiet for months. A decade later, dry states like Nevada fought over river access. Bangladesh was drowned and wildfires turned Breccon's oaks to ash. Rian adored aspens. We snogged under a cedar. She proposed on a beach. Her crash by a beach.